Good morning students, welcome to your SST class. So chapter 4, okay? Evolution of transport and communication. Okay, let's see what we have evolutionized throughout the years, okay, on transport and communication. Okay, first of all we will see about transport, okay, how we have evolutionized throughout this thousands of years, and also communication. Okay, so already we have started this chapter in the class, so I will also take a quick revision through this video. Ideas come into our minds when we think, look around, or do some activity. Ideas make invention happen. They change lives. Maybe early humans saw a rolling log and got the idea of a wheel. The wheel made their life easier and means of transport came into existence. Okay. So when you think something, then only ideas will come to your mind. Okay, if you sit idle in your house, okay, just sleeping and doing nothing, how ideas will come to your mind? Okay, you have to be creative. Suppose if you want to draw one painting, at that time you have to imagine that, oh, I want to draw this scenery, so what should I need? What more things I need to make it more beautiful? Okay, such that way, if we think more and more, then only inventions will happen. So like this, these people, maybe they were thinking that if the logs are cut into round shapes, okay, and fitted into some carts, then it can move fast. We all know earlier the carts, they used to move by pushing or pulling with their hands, okay, but now they have got the idea that if the logs or wheels are fitted into some carts, they can move fast, and maybe after that only the transport came into existence. Similarly, early humans did not know how to talk and communicate their ideas to others. Then they observed animals and saw that they made sounds. Perhaps early humans saw animals use gestures or signals. They imitated them and came to know that life was easier when communication happened. So we all know early human, they did not know how to talk. Okay, they did not know how to talk. They just do nothing. They eat and sleep. Okay. But after that, they saw the animals making some sounds and gestures. Already I have told you the meaning of gesture. This meaning, some signals or some जिसको हम बोलते हैं इशारा. Okay. Made with our eyes. Okay. Or our hands. Suppose I say you come with my hands. I come. I say you come, or we bid goodbye. Okay, these signals we do with our hands. Okay, come, go, yes, no. That these signals we can do with our head, isn't it? So these are called gestures. So similarly, after looking at the animals, the people learned to do communication. Okay, after watching these animals. Ideas that came to mind of early humans helped them to invent means of transportation and communication. Let's know more about the evolution of means of transportation and communication that started with the inventions made by early humans but became more efficient with time. So early humans, as time passed, say they made some inventions, okay, slowly, but this inventions became more efficient with time. मतलब जैसे जैसे टाइम जाता गया, this inventions were और अच्छा होता गया. Okay. So first of all, evolution in the means of transport. Okay. For this first 2-3 pages, we will learn about transport. The 3 means of transport are land transport, air transport, water transport. Of course, we know there are 3 modes of transport. Let's learn how ideas and observations led to inventions and discoveries that gave us different means of transport to help us travel short and long distance. Of course, why we use transport to go from one place to the another place, isn't it? For that only we need transport. Invention of wheel and beginning of transport. Early humans used logs to make sledges and carts without wheels. So earlier that time they used carts और sledges, मतलब वो ऐसी गाड़ी होती थी जिसको वो लोग खींच के ले जाते थे. ओके, they were pushed and pulled, used to carry heavy loads. मतलब उसमें heavy loads डाल के they used to push and pull the carts. Soon, early humans discovered that tree trunks cut into round pieces rolled easily. This led to the invention of the wheel almost 5,000 years ago. So, धीरे धीरे, as I have told you, you can see the picture. This man is cutting a log, okay, and giving it the shape of a wheel. So, these wheels are fitted into carts almost 5,000 years ago. Okay, next wheels were fitted to carts and animals were used to pull those carts. So now they were using animals. We all know horse, bull. Okay, these animals were used to pull these carts. From logs, tree trunks to modern day wheels of different sizes, human beings have made means of transportation more and more useful for carrying people as well as goods. So it was more than 5,000 years ago. So okay, so now there are so many various modes of transport. Means अभी हम ऐसा carts बहुत ही rarely we can see, isn't it? Now we can see so many new design carts, magwheels we can see on the roads. So the next point is trade and voyages.